Hello guys, and welcome back for another Jasmy price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why Jasmy can easily give us a bounce in the next coming days, and also give you the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above and the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, you can see that in the bear market we saw a consolidation over here for about 2 years, and finally in 2024 we saw a break out of that consolidation zone to the upside, where you can see that on that bounce, after making a high above the 0.04478, the market was up more than 20.36% to the upside. And after we picked, that was in June 2024, we started a bit of a pullback to the downside into the lows that we made in August 2024, where the market was now down more than 65.02%. Then from the lows we made in August 2024, we saw another bounce into the highs we made in December 2024, where the market was now up more than to 73.88%. Then from the highs we made in December 2024, the market has been seeing lower prices, where you can see that at some point this year, the market was down more than 93.2% to the downside. And on that massive breakdown move, we got a reset of significant lows that we made last year in November. Then we got a massive buyback, and you can see that we have been holding above a very significant low over here that I highlighted on my previous videos, and that is the low that we made below the 0.00893, which is this horizontal line on the chart. And that has been a major invalidation point, because the moment we lose that significant low, then I will be expecting to see Jasmy fill in this week that we left over here, and on the worst case scenario, give us a reset of the bear market lows. But as long as we continue holding above these significant low, there's a very high chance that we can start another movement to the upside, break above key areas of resistances, and most importantly, break above the key area, that is the significant high we made above the 0.02144 in the next coming days. And the moment we manage to flip that key area, that significant high, back into support, then I will be expecting higher prices, aiming for the highs we made in December 2024, because we don't have much of resistance in between. And if by any chance we get such a massive bounce from the lows we made over here on the 10th of October to the highs we made in December 2024, you can see the market will be up more than 1369.65% to the upside, which is more than a 13x to the upside from that significant low. And that is a movement that you don't want to miss out on. So jumping on the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, I have this ascending trend line that I'm watching to see whether Jasmy is going to continue holding above it. And you can see that we have managed to get a number of touch points, and we have continued to hold above that significant trend line, which is an indication that the market is a little bit strong. And if by any chance we continue pushing higher and break above the significant high we made above the 0.01153, flipping it back into support, then we can expect higher prices here on the Jasmy chart. But the moment we lose this significant trend line here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance, maybe with a retest, that is the time to start expecting lower prices, expecting that Jasmy is going to give us a weak fill in the next coming days of this massive week that we left on that day that we got that massive liquidation event. So those are the two key scenarios that I expect here on the Jasmy chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.